how to perform a factory reset. This procedure sets the master PIN code back to 1234 and all the registered user PIN codes and key tags will be deleted from the program. Unlock and open the door. Open the battery cover located in the interior part of the unit. Press and hold the registration button for 5 seconds until 2 sets of beeps are heard. Enter the factory reset code 147085239, followed by the star. A success tone will be heard. Note: you may use either of these factory reset codes 456085250, factory reset without wireless module connection, 147085239, factory reset including wireless module connection. To test if the door lock has been reset to its default settings, open the door, press and hold the auto locking sensor and the deadbolt should extend. Wait until the home icon disappears, then touch the screen. Press the 2 random numbers illuminated followed by the default master PIN code 1234 and then press star.